Today, I will introduce the world's first polishing solution compound kit designed specifically for PPF. Polishing is a process that involves physically abrasive actions to remove persistent contaminants or scratches that cannot be eliminated by other means. While polishing solutions are commonly used for regular paint, their application to PPF has been challenging. Applying conventional compounds designed for regular paint to PPF can lead to issues such as damage to the PPF due to frictional heat or the loss of gloss. STEK Compound Kit addresses these issues, providing a solution specifically designed for PPF. It provides suitable abrasive power for PPF while minimizing heat generation, reducing the risk of damage to the PPF. Polishing, being the final step in detailing, should be carried out after thoroughly removing contaminants from the PPF surface. Pre-wash, car shampoo, iron remover, claying. This process is essential to eliminate contaminants that could potentially cause more damage to the PPF surface during polishing. Compound Cut is a PPF-specific compound with strong cutting power designed for scratch removal. Wool pads and dual-action polishers are recommended for use with Compound Cut. While it's possible to use a single-type polisher, our internal evaluations have shown that the difference in cutting power during PPF work is not significant. However, be cautious about potential overheating when using a single-type polisher. The usage and application of the compound product are exactly the same as in regular paintwork procedures. Apply the compound product on a wool pad, squeezing an amount approximately the size of a kidney bean, and use it for about 3 rounds. When wiping off the compound, you can use a dry towel. Proceed with the job slowly, and if you feel that the compound is no longer coming out, add more compound. Due to the self-healing properties of the PPF, the sanding process is stable and gradual, so there is no need to worry about accidentally damaging the surface, as is the case with regular paint. Typically, after working on the entire large area, inspect the surface. If there are still deep scratches that haven't been removed, rework those specific areas. When compound cut work is completed, it's normal to experience a reduction in overall gloss. This phenomenon occurs when the polishing process has been thorough enough. Now it's time to use Paint Cleanse. Using Paint Cleanse alone without compound cut will completely remove contaminants and enhance the gloss. Even if there are no noticeable scratches on the PPF surface, using Paint Cleanse will reveal bonded contaminants on the pad and improve the gloss. Returning to the surface treated with Compound Cut, using Paint Cleanse will significantly enhance the gloss. Works on the entire surface to revive the gloss. The surface of the PPF is highly susceptible to scratches and has weakened self-healing capabilities immediately after the polishing process. After the polishing process, it is essential to proceed with the coating application. The applicable coating options are as follows. Firstly, the restoration coating, which is part of the compound kit. The restoration coating is a specially formulated ceramic coating that focuses on coating thickness and durability. It forms a coating layer 2 to 3 times thicker than typical ceramic coatings and exhibits strong adhesion to PPF. Even with a thicker coating layer, there won't be any issues with the self-healing performance of PPF, so don't worry. However, since it lacks properties such as slickness and water repellency, I recommend applying an additional coating for those features. Apply additional coating at least 3 hours after the initial application. Restoration coating is designed to have excellent adhesion with other STEK LSPs such as quartz graphene. This coating is a specialized coating designed to restore the thickness of the polished surface of PPF. It is not essential in cases where the polishing level is mild. While there is no exact standard, if you notice a significant decrease in gloss after the compound cut process, it is generally recommended to apply restoration coating. Quartz graphene is the next recommended option. After the polishing process, the PPF surface loses its distinctive slickness and hydrophobic properties. This means that the surface becomes vulnerable to contamination and damage. Quartz graphene restores the PPF surface to its initial state with strong slickness and water repellency. Finally, Dino Finish. Dino Finish has a slightly lower slickness compared to quartz graphene, but it is easy to use and offers excellent durability. It falls short in comparison to quartz graphene in all aspects, but with ongoing maintenance using products like Shine, it still provides sufficient protective performance. The STEK Compound Kit is STEK's patented PPF-specific solution, completing the patent application. Thanks to this solution, it's finally possible to manage PPF at a level equivalent to regular paint maintenance. Starting your safe vehicle care routine with STEK. Protect what you love. Thank you for watching.